Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some Ipsy spoilers for October 2020, as well as my story time on how I got on Ipsy's PR list. I don't know, so stay tuned to hear that story. That one's interesting. But anyways, if you guys were wondering what's on my lips today and what's on my eyes, that video will be out very soon. I finally reviewed the Too Faced Cinnamon Bear collection, the little limited edition collection, so you're just gonna have to see my thoughts and opinions on that. But it will also be down below in my holiday playlist whenever it is up, so you can just click there. I will have all of my holiday content in the playlist, so you can pick and choose whichever one you want to watch, because I am uploading a ton of videos. So, and I also want to tell you guys, and I'm gonna kind of like promote myself in my next few videos, I did start an OnlyFans. No, I'm not gonna be posing nude or anything like that, but I am gonna be posting a lot more, I would say, risque type reviews, things that I wouldn't actually put on YouTube. Like my very first video that I posted over there, I actually tried out some products. I tried out a hair mask that we got in BOXYCHARM and the Kate Somerville exfoliant, and I was in the shower. Of course you don't see anything, but just things like that where I can like review, and just, it's gonna be a fun time over there. Plus I'm gonna be doing a lot of giveaways over there, since obviously you'll be subscribing and you'll be paying for the content, so there will be a lot of giveaways over there, and I'm very excited. So right now you can actually join for the next 2 days, $4 for the next 30 days to enjoy a lot of content from me. I'll be posting like every single day over there, so it's gonna be so much fun to have more of an intimate experience over there for people who are, I would say, one of my biggest subscribers that wants to support me, and that also will go towards more reviews on this channel, you know, because I am going to start reviewing makeup, and makeup costs money. So anyways, that is it for that. We're going to get into the Ipsy spoilers and my story time on how I just worked my way into the PR list. I don't know. So if you guys are enjoying these videos for me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would hit the subscribe button, it would mean so much. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm going to be going over regular glam bag and the ultimate. So let's go ahead and start with the regular glam bag. So I'm just going to post a few of the spoilers like at a time when we skip over some, so we can just like quickly go over it. So the very first spoiler here, which these are choice items, but any of these choice items could also come in your bag. That's why we're going to talk about them. So we have the Tarte Moroccan Tinted Hydrator in Light Sand and the Smashbox Cosmetics Oil and Shine Control Primer, which this was just on sale on the 21 Days of Beauty, like the full size, which was great, but I didn't get it, obviously. That's really nice. These two products here, I love to see these in Ipsy. Like, I love to see it. Next, we have two different mascaras. We have an IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara in black, and the Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Smoky Eye Mascara in black. Love to see a Bobbi Brown product in Ipsy too, by the way. Even if it's like a sample size, I love to see Bobbi Brown in here. I think that's the first we've seen Bobbi Brown, I think, but love that. Then we have Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow. There's several of these. We have Warm Golden Blonde 2, Neutral Light Brown 3, and they're volumizing eyebrow gels. And then we also have Neutral Deep Brown 4.5. So that's exciting. I'll put the second shade or the third shade in the next little like spoiler category. I actually wound up choosing the Warm Golden Blonde 2 volumizing eyebrow gel because I really want to try it. Like, Benefit is probably one of my top favorite brands. Like, I just love everything by them, so I wanted to try it. Maybe I'll buy a full size. And then we have from Oriza, if I'm saying that correctly, a Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. It looks like you got two nuder shades and like some burgundies. I can't really tell on the phone, but that's what it looks like. It's just a little quad. And then from Baroggio Hair Care, there's the Farrell Frizz Rosarco, words are hard, Milk Leave-In Conditioner. Then we have Malin Plus Goettes, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, Mojito Lip Balm, which that's something else I almost wanted to get just because it's a really good brand, but I didn't. And lastly, the SL Miss Glam P 2040 round blusher brush. That would have been my third choice because I do really like these brushes. So yeah, those are the spoilers here. Now I am going to skip the ultimate next month, just so you guys know, but there are some really good picks here. Like, there's some really good picks. So I did make a selection, but I already know I'm not going to keep it. I'm just gonna skip. But I did choose this first spoiler here, which is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. Glow Recipe is a really, really great expensive brand, so that was a no-brainer. I would want that, especially Pore Tight Toner. Yum. If you guys chose that, you would be like really happy, I'm sure. I hope it works. Next up, the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pore Dermabrasion. I actually just got this. It's currently right there on the floor in front of me. I have to put it away. I haven't put it away yet, but anyways. Next up, from Milk Makeup, this is the Cannabis Hydrating Face Mask. Now, this was a choice item for BOXYCHARM Premium, I want to say, from this past month. So some people already had received this product in BOXYCHARM, so we're seeing BOXYCHARM over here. Next up, I know this is another repeated item. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Eyeshadow Palette. I got this in Ultimate, or maybe it was my Plus. I can't remember. A few months ago, I tried the palette out twice, and I wound up not liking it as much as I wanted to like it. I wanted to actually purchase this on launch day way back when, like this time last year, and it sold out, and I was really sad about it. It was a set for like 29 or 39 bucks, and it came with too many like lip glosses. And so when I got it finally in Ipsy, I was really happy. I wound up selling it because I wasn't into it. It was too powdery, and I didn't really care for the colors together. I don't know, but it's actually on sale at Sephora, but it's currently sold out, but I'm sure it'll come back in stock. The actual set with the 2 lip glosses and the palette on sale, Sephora, $15. I was just like, oh. I guess other people didn't like it either. No wonder it's an Ipsy, just kidding. Anyways, next spoilers. Next up we have the Naked Cosmetics 4-piece pigment set. Now, I know this is a repeated item. I don't know if it's the same shades or what, but I do have to say I don't like to mess around with pigments. They're kind of messy, but I did see somebody playing with some from Naked Cosmetics, and I don't know if it was the same shades or what, but they were like neutrally shades like this, and may I say, they looked beautiful. The swatches and the way they applied to the lid. I don't know who it was. It was somebody random deep down in the rabbit hole on YouTube, but I was like, man, I kind of want to mess with these now. Like, they were so nice. Anyways, next up, the Belle in Argent Auteur Matte Lip Color in 3 plays. This is one that we've seen in like tons of subscription boxes. We've seen it in Ipsy too. This one's a different color, but yeah. And next up we have the Complex Culture Precision Concealer Brush. Love Complex Culture brushes. They're so nice, and this is one of the brushes that I don't even have, but I've tried the foundation brush. It's not like the best because the bristles are so close to like the base of the brush, but it's still a pretty good brush. I can say that. So I'm sure the concealer brush will be really nice, especially because I've been using a brush for concealer for the past like month, and I've just preferred it now. But anyways, last spoiler is the Sweet Chef Fresh Pressed Sheet Masks. This is in Kale plus vitamin B, beet plus vitamin A, and ginger plus vitamin C. So those are the last of the spoilers. Now, who is ready to hear about me getting on Ipsy's PR list? So let me go into my emails and just tell you how this got started. Now, I honestly did not know Ipsy had PR, like, at all. Like, I haven't seen an actual Ipsy unboxing in God knows how long. Pretty much because I get Ipsy too, so it's like I don't watch other Ipsy unboxings. I don't really watch any unboxings, really, just because like I know what's coming in there, so I know what to expect from other people. So anyways, for as long as I've known, I did not think that Ipsy gave out PR. Like, I know BOXYCHARM does. I know BOXYCHARM gives out PR. I don't think that Ipsy does, or maybe that's what they're doing now. I know they've had like people that are actually like affiliated with Ipsy do unboxings, but like I didn't know Ipsy had PR. So I was really confused when I seen this. So I guess it makes sense, but whatever. Anyway, so I got this email from Ipsy Open Studios, and it said, "Hi Connor. Hope you're having a great weekend. I wanted to check in with you to see if you were interested in joining Ipsy's new Open Studios community. This exciting gifting initiative is to truly get you to love Ipsy and experience our brand partners in a whole new light. If this sounds like something you would be interested in, please let me know so I can send you the sign up link. XO, and then whoever it's from. Well, I didn't know what it was, and I googled Ipsy Open Studios, and it was not connected to PR. It was connected to like something from years ago, and I was just like, I almost didn't even reply to this email, and I was just like, hi, I'm having a great weekend. I hope you are as well. If I'm being completely honest, I'm not sure what the Ipsy Open Studios community is. I would love to hear more information about it. Thank you so much. I look forward to hearing back from you. And that's when I realized it was PR. And when I saw that all that it had to offer, I was just like, holy crap. Now, I am on a few PR lists. I'm on BOXYLUXE's PR list, even though they haven't sent me the last 2 collections that they came out with. One I was gonna get, and then they said, never mind. So, I mean, I'm still affiliated with them, so I don't know. I get Confetti Collection PR, which is the really fun novelty subscription box. I get the American Influencer Award box, though that's not technically PR, but they did send me the last one, and I was on some kind of reoccurring thing, so maybe I am, I'm not sure. But I did get an email from them that like was reoccurring, like a reoccurring something or another, I don't remember. And I think that's all the PR I'm actually on. But I do have stuff sent to me a lot. But anyways, so when I read all that comes with this, I was just like, are you guys like positive you want me to be on your PR list? Because I talk a lot of crap about you. Like, I didn't say that, but like, does Ipsy watch my videos, or do they just look at the numbers? Because, you know, I don't know how I got on this PR list. Like, let's be real. It says, as an Ipsy Open Studios member, you'll have access to a complimentary Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So, stay tuned for PR versus purchased, because I'm still going to keep purchasing exclusive Ipsy merch. Access to PR seatings from our brand partners. I don't really know what that means, but okay. I guess maybe if a brand sends them something that comes, I don't know. I don't know how it works. I don't know. Invitations to Ipsy creator programming and events, currently virtual. Cool. I probably wouldn't go. Social anxiety, but that's very sweet. Access to our Santa Monica studios post-COVID restrictions. Well, if I lived in California, I could just walk into their studio and use all their equipment. But I don't live there. I live in Tennessee. The potential for your content to be reposted to Ipsy social channels. That I'm into. Let the world see this beautiful face, okay? Access to an amazing community of creators and Ipsters. That I love. I love that. Our hope is that you try, test, and create beautiful content with the products included and share with your audiences. So the products that I am going to receive in like my PR boxes, I'm going to like create looks with them and stuff and post them to like Instagram and to YouTube, so you guys will see that. And the purchased Ipsy items I do plan on doing some giveaways with, so stay tuned for that, because that's gonna be fun. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. Like, do you guys are like woohoo? Like, I'm excited for myself. Like, this is insane. This is like huge company, like letting me be a part of like their brand. I don't know how I finagled my way into this and why they wanted me, because like I talk so much crap about their brand. Well, I mean, you know what I mean? Like, I give them like honest feedback. Maybe they like the honesty that I don't know. But they chose me. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. All thoughts and opinions, leave them down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.